Hi there. Today I have a layout in my Traveler's Notebook. I am using here the Good Life October bundle from Pixel Scrapper. I printed this out at home. I have a laser printer that I use that has some issues, but does okay with copy paper. So this is just printed all on regular copy paper, and then I've cut it out using scissors, so old-fashioned. And then I just have a few things lying around on my desk, some scraps and things that I'm throwing in here as well. And a nice photo here of a palm tree here in Santa Cruz. I'm using my mini attacher here, which is one of my favorite tools to stick things down, especially when you make a little pile of things. It's nice to just staple everything together as it is rather than trying to re-stick it down using glue. So I've made my little cluster in the middle, and now I'm just adding in some of the elements to see which ones I like best. Adding in a little glittery washi tape here from my stash. Looking for just the right place to put it. I stick this tag down here at the bottom of the paper, but what I don't take into account is that I haven't stuck these in my notebook yet. And these papers are a little bit bigger. They have a little bleed around the edges. So when I trim the pages after sticking them in my book, I cut off most of that tag there that I've just stuck down on the bottom. So that's unfortunate, but not the end of the world. I'm adding here a little clear envelope that I have, and I'm going to stick some sequins in, and then just have a little fun shaker envelope attached to this page over here. So I added some black sequins and some silver ones here. The majority of my sequins were actually holding up the camera for filming this, so I had to go for my less favorite sequin box, but there were still some good options in there. Here I'm doing some stamping on some leftover copy paper. I did a practice there on the top and then wanted my sunshine to be a bit closer together. So just had a few tries, and now I'm going to cut this paper out and use it as my title. Adding a little stamp onto that circle. I think I cut out there some gluing down perhaps. Adding in a little more washi tape. And I think we are coming to the end of the video here after I add in a couple little embellishments here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it below and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Have a great day.